Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing armhole princess line blouse. You can use the same for dresses and kurti. So let's get started. First we'll take lining piece. Here I took the total 18-inch length and the width is 10 inch. First we'll cut the front piece on the lining. Now we'll unfold the fabric. Now I make the measurement. For shoulder, take half of your shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13 inch and half of it is 6.5 inch and the neck width is 3.5 inch. At this point, mark half of your armhole round. My armhole is 15 inches and half of it is 7.5 inches. Just extend this point. From the top, mark point at 17 inches, adding half inch for seam allowance. Extend the points. Now we'll mark the round measurement. For chest, my chest is 30 inches and dividing it by 4 will get 7.5 inch and I am adding half inch extra, that is 8 inch. Waist is 26 inch and take 1/4, that is 6.5, and take half inch extra. Also take 1 inch extra for waist band. Extend this point. Go down half inch for shoulder slope. Mark the midpoint of armhole. Go inside at 3/4 inch. Just join it with French curve. Go down at 10 inch, it is shoulder to apex or bust point, and draw a straight line. Generally, it lies between 3.5 inch to 4.5 inch. From apex, go down at 1/4 inch and mark half inch on both the sides and join this point like this. Now I join these lines with curved line. Take 1 inch seam allowance. Now put both the pieces together and cut it out.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Now we have to cut this round.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Stitch it together at half inch. And we'll do the same thing in the main fabric. Now we'll cut the back fabric. Same, we take 3.5 inch neck and shoulder width is 6.5 inch. Same armhole at 7.5 inch.
Echoing around the
same, mark the waist at 7 inch and adding 1 inch for back dart.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Now on back, go inside at 1/4 inch and join it with curved line.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Go down at 10 inch and make a straight line.
And we'll grow in number, fuel
Mark half inch on both the sides and just join it.
turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
Here we also leave 1 inch seam allowance.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Now trace the same dart in the main fabric.
Wastelands through the highways, and on
Now we have to stitch the back dart. Keep in mind you have to leave some extra thread so that we make a knot.
hold me close till I get up.
This is how you have to tie the knot 2 to 3 times.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to
Now
sun
we'll make
rays.
triangle shape in the hem. For that I take 1.5 inch width
Through the wastelands, through the highways,
and 3.5 inch length and cut it out. Now stitch at half inch throughout. Now we have to make notches.
finding life along the way.
Now we will make it straight.
Played. No, I don't want no rest.
Now stitch at 1/4 inch throughout.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Now we do the same thing in the back.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Now we take buckram to make neckline. We take 4.5 inch width and 7.5 inch length. Now follow the instruction. Here we are making sweetheart neckline.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Now just cut it out. Now we'll make back neckline.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Just leave half inch and cut it.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And
Now fold it and stitch at 1/4 inch.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Now you can see it has done.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Now start stitching near the bukram, but no stitching is to be done on bukram.
Grow in number,
Inside we have to leave 1/4 inch and have to cut it.
turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns
Now
to
we'll
sun
join the
rays.
shoulder at half inch.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We did slip stitch or kurti all over the neckline by hand. Now we'll attach the piping all over the armhole. Now fold it and stitch at 1/4 inch.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't
On the left side, we'll attach the zipper and have to stitch the right side.
passed.
Now we have to stitch this pearl lace all over the hem.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
Now we have to stitch at 2 inch.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Now we have to stitch on the chain 2 to 3 times in the last so that the chain does not open.
we'll
Now you can see our choli is ready. Now you can wear it with lehenga. If you want to learn how to make this lehenga, then I have given the video of it in the I button. You can see it by clicking it.